Hi everyone, my name is Luisa and today we will learn the basics of creating an online game-based learning platform. As educators, we are always looking for fun learning experiences, right? Experiences that will keep our students engaged. And Kahoot just happens to be one of them. Kahoot gives students a visible point system with a one-way share code, which they can practically use in any device. And without further ado, let's begin. Now, once you enter your home page, you're going to want to click this blue button where it says Create. And once again, you're going to click Create. It's going to take you to this blank template. On your right-hand side, you're going to see where it says Question Type. And I'm going to create something very simple for my pre-K class. So I'm going to start off with something basic, such as true and false. Then I'm going to type in my question, is a rose a plant? Then I'm going to this blue box, select it, and on the search bar, I am going to type the word plants. And of course, you're going to choose a picture of your choice, and you're going to answer the question, is a rose a plant? And the answer is true. Now, if you go back to the right side, it says time limit and points. As you can see, I kept my time limit in 20 seconds and my points standard. On your left-hand corner, it says Settings. I want you to click on that Settings button. And then you're going to enter the title of your game, the title of your presentation. So mine is going to be Plants. And of course, the description box is optional. What I want you to look at too is at the language options. And I am going to select Private for my game. And the lobby music, that's the music that you want it to be playing during the game. So I am going to choose Fantasy. Now once you have all your selections, click Done. And then once you have all your slides, you're going to click Done again. And then I want to test this Kahoot so you guys can see what a student sees and what the teacher sees. Okay, so on the board, you're going to see the title of my game, which is Plants, and I'm going to choose Classic. So as you can see, it's loading the pin, and that's the pin for the students. So I'm going to enter 3314857, and then click Enter. And then it's going to ask me for a nickname. So I'm going to type in Leo. I'm going to click Go, and as you can see, their name is going to appear. And then once you have all your students' names, you're going to start the game. Once the game starts, you either read the question for them or allow them to read the question. Then they get to choose the answer, select the answer, and then when the game is over, you're going to click Next. And then it's going to show who won first place. And once it shows who won first place, they're going to give them this spotlight with a celebration of confetti, which I think it's very, very nice. And then of course you're going to click Next. And then once you click Next, you're going to see 100% correct if everybody got the answers correct. Now, another thing that I want you to look at is the View Full Report, which I think this is very, very nice. If you click in there, and of course, again, you're going to click View Report, it's going to take you to a report to see who participated. You see it says players, and then your questions, and then the time. Now, another thing that I want you to look at is where it says Report Options. If you click on your ellipsis, it gives you the choice to download the report and print it out, which I think it's amazing, especially for our assessments. Okay, so that's everything for today, guys. I wish everyone the best and good luck to our future endeavors.